Folks, clouds dominating our day again today. We didn't see much in the way of rainfall, a couple of brief showers, but that was about it. Temperatures have leveled out in the mid 80s in the west, about 80 or so when you get closer to the coast. Port Isabel at 77 right now. Low temperatures tonight will be in the 60s again, but just barely upper 60s. Some places like the island, Brownsville probably won't get below 70 overnight, so a mild night as humidity climbs up just a little bit more. And then tomorrow's highs, we're back in the mid 80s again under mostly cloudy skies. Could be a brief shower in one or two spots tomorrow. Not a big rain event, but one or two places could pick up that brief shower anytime during the daytime tomorrow. And that chance lingers into tomorrow night and then fades away by the time we get to Sunday. We'll look at that in a moment. 85 is our average high tomorrow, pretty close to normal for this time of year. We go to 88 Sunday, back to 84 on Monday, so pretty mild weekend really. Temperatures not that far from where we would typically expect this time of year. Look at all the clouds moving across. We get some breaks, but there's more out there, so they come racing right back in again. And as we look at the models, this shows the front pushing northward. That's allowed temperatures to warm up today. You see the spotty showers, a little green showing up during the daytime tomorrow. Not a lot, not everybody gets rained on. In fact, most probably won't, but there'll be those passing showers in a few spots. We don't expect thunder and lightning, we just expect brief showers. Kind of like what we saw today, but probably a little more active than what we saw today. As we go through tomorrow night, the clouds kind of stick around. A weak cool front will slide in early Sunday. And while I can't completely rule out a brief shower early in the day on Sunday, I think it should be a dry day. Anything that happens will be brief, early, and gone. So we're going with basically a dry forecast for Sunday. Still warm even behind the front. The big change comes in the humidity. That front will just usher drier air in. Drier air warms more easily, so it dries out. Temperatures actually get a little bit warmer on Sunday behind the front. Spotty showers tomorrow about 30%. Sunday is dry. I could put the word mainly on there because I think there could be something very early in the day, but most of the day will be dry, if at the latest by lunchtime, and then Monday will be dry as well. Rest of Texas, remember that warm front sitting right here. 81 Laredo, 84 here, but north of that is considerably cooler. That warm front will push to the north over the next couple of days and warm the rest of the state up, and they'll join us by tomorrow afternoon. In the meantime, this front coming across the state tomorrow washes out. Doesn't quite get here, but the secondary one's the one that comes in early Sunday. That brings the drier air for Sunday afternoon, Monday, Tuesday. High pressure builds in and really controls things, gives us some pretty nice weather for early next week. If you're headed to the coast tomorrow, it is the weekend, why not? Southeast winds 10 to 15, moderate chop on the bay. The UV is very high, water temperatures in the mid 70s. Small craft operators still urged to use caution even though there are no advisories right now. Mainly cloudy and mild, low of 69 tonight, southeast winds. And then tomorrow back up to 85, about a 30% chance for a stray shower. Southeast winds about 10 to 20 miles an hour. The next 7 days we keep it in the 80s all the way through the forecast period, but nighttime lows do cool off. That's the impact of that front. Sunday, lower humidity, and then we drop into the low 60s for the middle part of next week for your lows, with daytime highs back in the 80s once again. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.